First of all, draw a circle and take its copy. After that, group both circles and take another copy by holding Shift and Alt key. After that, select all, then select Shape Builder tool and remove extra lines by pressing Alt key. Now take a triangle and transform it to a drop-like shape by using Direct Selection tool. Align it like this. Again, take a triangle larger than previous one and follow same process. Rotate it and align it. Then select Shape Builder tool and remove extra part. Now select Rotate tool and press Alt while you click to open the menu. Press Ctrl+D to take copies. Group them and take a copy, then rotate it by holding Shift key. Now, again by using Shape Builder tool, remove extra lines like this. If you are enjoying the process, please like the video and subscribe to join Design Hunters. It's time to fill colors. Please observe this step carefully. Our design is almost complete. Thank you for watching till here. I appreciate your spirit. You were watching Design Hunters. Please keep learning.